Hi, everybody. This is Chris with Invest LYH. And today I'm going to show you just an average property here in Lynchburg, Virginia. As you guys know, the profit margins are getting quite thin here in Lynchburg. So I'm just going to show you I'm going to show you the initial cash on cash return, and then I'm going to show you a quick strategy on how to change the cash on cash return that you see with this property. So let's go ahead and share my screen so we can take a look at the property itself. Give me just a moment here to share, and it looks like there we go. There we go. So this is 1016 Brentwood Avenue in Lynchburg, Virginia, and it's a $155,000 home that's 3 bedrooms and 1 bath, just under 1,300 square feet. So I ran the rents on this property, and it says the average is about $1,220. I'm going to round that up to $1,225. And let's take a look at the mortgage on this home. And there you can see it's going to be about $1,047, rough estimate, given a 7.5% interest rate. So initially we can see right here, I already wrote out some of the things here, right? The mortgage, the property management, the vacancy, and the repairs. Initially, we can see right off the bat that this is a negative cash flowing home. So if we were to take the $1,225 in income and subtract the costs of $1,291, our initial cash on cash return is going to be a negative 66 in monthly cash flows. So that means every month you're going to be paying $66 a month just to have the property. Pulling that out to an annual cash flow basis is going to be $792 every year you'll be paying just to own the asset. So if we were to divide that out based on the $31,000 in down payment needed, what we're going to get for a cash on cash return is going to be a negative 2.55. So for every dollar that you're spending, you're going to be paying about 2 cents for every dollar that you've spent to purchase the property. Not a good deal. Having a negative cash flowing property, in my opinion, is not smart. So in some appreciating markets, it might work out, but I would never recommend that, especially in Lynchburg. But like I said earlier, what is it going to take for you guys to kind of make this property? What is it going to take for this property to not be negative? So I ran some math, and let's take a look at the math that I ran. The purchase price that I came up with would be $145, and you can see that right here. And at that amount, we have a monthly cost of $979 in mortgage. Now we're going to rent it for the same amount, and we're going to have the same property management, vacancy, and repairs costs. But you can see here, it's really simple math. The $1,225 minus the $1,223 is $2 in monthly cash flow. That's still positive. So now if we were to take that out for the full year, that's going to be $24 in annual cash flow. So and then we have the new down payment amount of $29,000. So what is the cash on cash return with the $29,000 and the $24 in annual cash flows? That's going to be a 0.08% cash on cash return at the purchase price of $145. So a lot of times in the market, what we're seeing right now, I'm going to go ahead and stop sharing. Well, I won't stop sharing because I'm going to draw out a quick graph for you, because a lot of times what we're seeing in the market is people are pricing their home here when in reality their price is here. And what we just determined with our example here is we were able to find out where the margin is. What is the purchase price where this becomes a deal? right? It may not be a great deal, but it is a deal because it is positive. So currently the price is at P1, which would be a negative cash on cash return. And what we are trying to identify is P2, where it's going to be a positive cash on cash return. Now, I would not take this deal if I were looking at this property. I'm going to stop sharing now. I would not take this deal if I were looking at this property because it is just too small of a cash on cash return that I could just not justify putting my money into the property. So I hope this video helped you guys. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. I'm always here to take a look at properties for you too. And keep in mind, when I say that, I don't always have to do a video for the property. So if you're looking to invest in Lynchburg, I can do a cash on cash analysis for you and send it out as a private, just a private note. So thanks so much, you guys. You guys have a great day. And thanks for watching my channel.